Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Elm Creek, a little town in southern Manitoba surrounded by wide open farmland and prairie skies. This community got its start in the late 1800s when settlers moved in along the railway line. The name Elm Creek comes from a nearby creek that was lined with elm trees, a natural feature that helped give the area its identity. Over time, the town grew thanks to its strong farming roots and its role as a grain shipping point. The arrival of the railroad brought in business, and the town quickly became a gathering spot for the surrounding rural area. You'll find a giant fire hydrant here, one of the town's most eye-catching landmarks. Whether you're stopping for a visit or just curious about Manitoba's small towns, Elm Creek has a warm welcome waiting. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Elm Creek, Manitoba. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months.